Have you ever wondered what to do with those absolutely exquisite candle vessels that you get with a Thompson Ferrier candle? Well, stay tuned. So the candle gods at Thompson Ferrier sent me their Sagano candle. I have not had this one before, so this is new to me, so I thought I'd unbox it right in front of you. Champagne Rose is the scent. Of course, the packaging is always exquisite, right? So I use this black box to store some of my Christmas ornaments, the more delicate ones, just, to recycle it, put it to use. But this candle is so pretty. It's like a gold bamboo. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. And it smells very light and pretty. Again, the scent is Champagne Rose, very pretty. But anyway, what do you do with those luxurious vessels? I use them to hold jasmine balls, and then I also use them to hold all of my candle utensils. And when you get down into the feet of the elephant candle or on the bottom of any of the other candles and there's extra wax, be sure to put that in a wax burner so you can continue to enjoy that fragrance for as long as you like. All right, until next time, bye-bye.